Good morning, kids. We have started this lesson, no? Lesson 7 from your reader textbook. And in this way, we have started the story that one boy was there, and his name was that is Aladdin. He was a seller of the fine clothes. Isn't he? Don't have his father. He was living alone with his mother. And one day, when he went to sell his to sold his just goods, he met a man and who introduced himself and said that he was his uncle. In fact, he was not his uncle, he was the musician. And what was the name of the father of this boy? That is Ismail. Listen, and this man, this magician, he fooled him by saying that I'm your uncle, I want to do something for you. So in this way, he told the fake story and he took that boy to the cave. He took that boy to the cave because he want that magic lamp. Is it? But unfortunately, he in his first attempt he was not able to get that lamp because he left the boy inside the cave. So anyhow, that boy was managed to come out of the cave. Then he narrated the whole story with his mother. And when that boy he came out of the cave, what he has done, he rubbed that lamp. He was just trying to clean that lamp because it was very old and so much dirt was there. So he was just trying to clean that lamp. Then suddenly a big genie he came out of that lamp and he said that just tell me your wish, what I can do for you. Then he ordered some dinner. So in the same way, their days were passing, means they were just whatever they want, whatever they need, they used to say their dreams and they were bringing those things. So in this way they started living a luxurious life, but they never go out in the fine clothes, or they were not living their old hut also. They used to live in the same house because they don't want to tell anyone, any outsider, as in that they have got a jinn. So in this way, there some days were passing. So for some time Aladdin was happy. Now today we have to start from here, that is page number 36. Page number 36. Today we have to start from here. For some time Aladdin was happy, but one day he saw the king's daughter walking in the king's garden. Then one day what happened, that the Aladdin he saw the king's daughter walking in the king's garden. And from that day he knew he could not live without her. So one morning Aladdin's mother, feeling very scared, went to the palace with her bag. So one morning, what his mother has done, his mother, he took a bag, as in being scared. Being scared means very afraid. His mother, she was feeling very afraid. She was feeling scared, but then also by taking a bag, she went to the palace. And what was there inside the bag? There was a jewels, gold, as in precious stones. So when it was time for her to speak, she knelt down and poured the jewels from the cave in front of the king. And what she has done, she just poured all the jewels in front of the king. Why? Because his son, he wants to marry the king's daughter. Mother. Now see what mother has said. My lord, I bring these presents from my son. And what she said? She said that, my lord, I bring these presents from my son who wishes to marry your daughter. And he said that my son, he wants to marry your daughter. The king and his wazir were surprised. And by seeing this, that such a poor lady, old lady, from where she has brought these golds and the jewels, they got surprised. They had never seen such fine jewels before, because they have never seen such kind of fine jewels. But who was this woman? And who was her son? Then Wazir was not pleased. They started asking a question among themselves, that who is this woman and who is this her son? Anyhow, Wazir was not pleased. He wanted his own son to marry the princess. Why the Wazir was not pleased with the woman? because he wanted his own son to marry with the princess of the king. These are fine jewels, but we know nothing about the people. Tell her you will give her an answer in 3 months. And what Wazir said? He said that these are fine jewels, that it's okay, these are very nice jewels, but we know nothing about the people. He said that we don't know about these people, and just tell them, just answer them that after 3 months I'll give the answer. Okay, so by listening this thing that the king is going to give the answer after 3 months, his mother came back to his own house. At first Aladdin was hopeful, but after only 1 month has passed, he heard that the princess was to be married to the son of the Wazir. So when his mother he came back from the palace to his own house, Aladdin he was hopeful that might be the king is going to marry his daughter with him. But only 1 month has passed. They heard a news that the king's daughter is going to be get married with the son of Wazir. Okay, Aladdin thought hard, and on the night of the marriage he told the genie just what to do. As soon as the princess lay down, she fell into a deep sleep that lasted till morning. And what that boy he said his genie to do? He said that on the day of the marriage of that princess, she has to lay down into the deep sleep till morning. As for the Wazir's son, the genie carried him off to the cupboard, and genie carried that girl to the cupboard. There a cold wind blew on him, and all night. All this happened night after night until he could take it no more. If this was marriage, he didn't want it. He asked for the marriage to be ended, and in this way the Wazir's son he asked that the marriage should be ended, because the night after night were passing, and the winds were blowing, and that girl she was just kept sleeping. Aladdin's mother now returned to the king, but the Wazir still did not want the prince to marry Aladdin. Again after 3 months, Aladdin's mother she went to the king, but the Wazir still he did not want the princess to marry Aladdin. Wazir, now see firstly what he said. First, he is not of a good family. First of all, what he said, that he is not of a good family. Secondly, is he really so rich? What he said, that is he really so rich? The price of a princess is more than a bag of jewels. And what the Wazir has said? Wazir said that the price of a princess, okay, that the price of a princess is more than a bag of jewels. Tell him to bring 40 gold bowls full of jewels. And what Wazir said? Wazir said that go and bring for me 40 golden bowls full of jewels. The next morning, Aladdin walked into the palace with 40 richly dressed servants. Each servant carried a large golden bowl filled with jewels. And the next day, Aladdin had done the same thing. He carried the 40 bowls, the golden bowls that was full of jewels, and in a nice dress. They were nice dressed. They went to the king's court. Each servant carried a large golden bowl filled with jewels. The king could not say no. Now the king was not able to say no. And Aladdin and the princess were married. So in this way, the Aladdin and the princess they got married. Aladdin called the genie. The night a new palace rose up beside the king's palace, and with the help of genie only, Aladdin he ordered his jinn that he want the palace. So just in front of the king's palace, Aladdin he also asked for a new palace. Then the new palace rose just in front of the king's palace. There Aladdin and his princess lived in great happiness. But this happiness did not last very long. And Aladdin and his wife, means the king's daughter, they started living happily in that palace. But unfortunately, their happiness was didn't long for long time. Back home in Morocco, the magician was not at all happy by his magic powers. Then again, that the same magician, he came back home in Morocco, and the magician was not happy. He was a magician, but then also he was not happy with his work. So anyhow, he came back again in the town where that Aladdin was living. He could see palaces far away. So one day he turned his mind to the cave, but he couldn't see Aladdin or the lamp. He let out an angry cap. Magician, does this mean that the boy got out? Then just see, again that magician, he went to that the cave, isn't, and he checked everywhere in the cave, but he didn't found the boy. Then he just memorized again. He just concluded that might be the boy has came out of the cave. Magician, does this mean that the boy got out? The magician set out for China a second time. As soon as he reached Aladdin city, he put on old clothes and bought a lot of lamps. Then he went round the street. Then again what the magician has done, he again went back to the China, and he took so many lamps with him, and he started taking the round of that street. Which street? Where the Aladdin used to live. Magician, new lamps for old. And what he said, how the magician was selling the lamps, new lamps for old, new lamps for old, means in the replacement of the old one you will get a new lamp. This was actually a planning of that magician to get that magic lamp. Now, so that's all for today. Means till page number 37 we have completed, and the next page we are going to start tomorrow. So you have to do the reading till here. Next reading after that we will do tomorrow. And today I'll send you some of the exercises. Okay, in your book you can see that on page number 40 homophones are given, isn't? And this is very important. This you have to learn. What is a homophones? Homophones actually such words which have the same spelling, okay, which have the same spelling, and their pronunciation is also same, but their meanings are different. Okay, according to the need and according to the sentence, their meanings get differ. So such words are called as a homophones. For example, bow, B-O-W, bow. Bow, one bow, that is a type of knot, means a tie which people used to wear. One bow we use for a weapon, isn't? And one it is used for a incline. Second, you can see close. One meaning of the close, that is nearby. One meaning of the close, that is to shut. We used to say na, that shut the door, close the door, like this. So in this way, these words, they are similar in spelling and pronunciation, but their meaning it used to differ. So this homophone is also given in this chapter. This you have to learn. So today you have to learn these 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these 4 homophones. This is your work for today. So do it and do the reading till there. So thank you and have a good day.